So in today's video, we're going to do a short lesson on how to do trigonometry. So let's get into it. So trigonometry has three basic principles, and I'll tell you what they mean. Sin or sine, cos, and tan. These do sound quite strange, and you've probably never done them before as you're clicking on this video. But I wanted to go on what they actually equal in terms of a triangle. So let's get into it. So we have a right angle triangle here. I'll display this by putting a right angle symbol. And we have an angle. There's three lines in this triangle. And what are they called? What the triangle lines actually called? So this line is the longest side of a right angle triangle, which is notably called the hypotenuse. We'll name it as H. In this circumstance, as the angle is over here, and this line is opposite that angle, it will be called the opposite, an O. And now, this bottom line, as it's next to this angle, it's adjacent to the angle, and that's why it's called adjacent. So in this circumstance, this is the opposite, that's the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. Okay, so what does sine mean? Sine means opposite over hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan means opposite over adjacent. There's a quite famous phrase that only maths people use to remember it. So it's SOHCAHTOA. You need to really get that in your mind if you want to do really well in trigonometry. SOHCAHTOA. Do you know why this is helpful? Because I'll put this as pink, green, and yellow. So S stands for sine. OH, opposite over hypotenuse. OH, that's pink. Sine. I keep getting wrong. It is actually called sine. Opposite over H. You see that? Sorry. S for sine. O for opposite. H for hypotenuse. Now green. C for cos. C for cos. A for adjacent. H for hypotenuse. And finally, I hope you get the pattern here. T for tan. O for opposite. A for adjacent. It's a really, really helpful thing, especially for beginners in trigonometry. It's really, really easy way to put it in your mind. SOHCAHTOA, and it's really fun. Okay, so let's I'll write out sin, cos, and tan. Sine, cos, and tan. O over H. Cos, we'll try not to get used to writing them always out. It's A over H, and tan is what, guys? O over A. So, what question could I give you? Start drawing a right angle triangle. There we go. And put this 45 degrees. So this is opposite. Actually, yes, that is if we're going to do trigonometry part 2 in the next video about how to do questions. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you want more daily uploads like this. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for trigonometry part 2 with questions.